It's your birthday.
Once upon a time, on a bright and magical day, June 15th, 2022, a little star was born. His name was Luth, and from the moment he opened his eyes, the world felt just a little bit happier. Today, Luth is 3 years old. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and his friends are gathering with laughter and balloons. There's a cake, big and delicious, with candles waiting to be blown out. "Make a wish, Luth!" his friends cheer. Luth takes a deep breath, his eyes twinkling with excitement. 1, 2, 3. He blows out the candles, and everyone claps. Let the fun begin. Games, giggles, and the best birthday ever for a little boy who brings joy wherever he goes. Happy birthday, Luth.
Zum Geburtstag viel Glück, zum Geburtstag alles Gute, zum